So, you're thinking about buying a used car. That is awesome. But if you don't check these 3 things, there is a darn good chance you might end up with a lemon. First, check the tailpipe while it's cool. Run your finger inside. A little bit of black, dry soot like that, perfectly normal. But if you reach up in there and it's black and it's sticky and it's sludgy, well, that could be trouble. It could mean bad valve seals, bad piston rings, or even worse, a cracked cylinder head. Definitely something you want to take note of. Next, turn the engine on. A little bit of white smoke that dissipates rapidly, perfectly normal. But if you see a white, thick smoke, that's a problem. That means the coolant is probably burning in the engine. Could be a blown head gasket, could be a cracked cylinder head. Probably want to avoid that. Second, blue smoke. If you see smoke with a bluish tint, well, that could mean your engine is burning oil. Could be worn piston rings, could be failing valve seals. If you have a turbo, it could indicate you have a blown turbo. I would walk away from that. Number 2, pop the hood and check the oil on the engine oil dipstick. You want to smell for gasoline. If you smell fuel on this, that's a major red flag. That means you probably have a stuck injector or could be worn piston rings. Either way, that's something you want to investigate further. Ideally, what you want to see is this right here, liquid gold. Now, if you pull the dipstick and it's foamy or milky, well, that means coolant is mixing in with the oil, possibly a blown head gasket, maybe a cracked engine block, or a bad cylinder head. That's the thing you definitely want to walk away from. And lastly, the engine coolant. It can tell you a tremendous amount of information about the health of the engine. But I want to preface this by saying, check it while it's cool. If you go out for a test drive and come back and pop the rad cap or the coolant reservoir, there's a good chance you're going to get burned and you're getting injured severely. When you are ready to open up the radiator cap, this is what you want to see. Healthy coolant is a bright green, pink, or orange. But if it's brown or murky or full of sludge, well, that just means the previous owner didn't take care of the cooling system. And worse, rust and contaminants could be eating up the system from the inside. However, if you see bubbles or foaming while the engine is running, that is a clear sign of a blown head gasket, and you should absolutely walk away. Before I quickly tell you guys why I chose those 3 things, if you like this channel and the content that's on here, please consider subscribing. It would mean a great deal to me. And if you have any questions or comments on this video or others that I've made, comment below and I'll happily answer. Now, why I chose those 3 things specifically. It's easy. Anybody, despite your mechanical ability, are able to perform those 3 tests. So before you go and take it to a local mechanic and drop $200 on that, you already know if the vehicle is even worth taking there. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I greatly appreciate it. And again, if you have any questions or comments, post them below and I will happily answer them. I will see you guys on the next video.